Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing a diss track by KHAGO Suga Daddy Shawn Storm that's raw and unfiltered. This track opens hard with lines like, "Your sugar daddy never tell you me we kill you," and later, "Shawn Stam shoot up in the car, y'all care what your man buy you." These statements set an aggressive, confrontational tone right away. What stands out are its vivid, no-holds-barred wordplay and high-energy flow. From the boastful bang bang and a man of mine you bomb a wall to the ironic jab, "Your sugar daddy man never tell you me we kill you." The track blends biting satire with aggressive bravado. The rapid-fire delivery and dynamic production amplify its diss vibe. For me, this track is a fearless statement. It's edgy, over the top, and unapologetic. While it may push boundaries, the raw energy and clever twists in the lyrics make it impossible to ignore. I'm giving this track a solid 3.5 out of 5. If you're into bold, aggressive diss tracks with plenty of attitude, this one's a must listen. If enjoyed this review, like and subscribe for more.